Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Amazing Life by Kaushiki, and I am Kaushiki, your very own host. So today I am talking in this video all about last minute Diwali cleaning. I know most of us do not have so much time to clean the house for days and days. So these are my favorite shortcut methods to do the house cleaning on a very short time. These are absolutely foolproof method, so do try it if you're running short of time. So, if you like this video, then do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We upload every single week, so let's get started. So whenever you start cleaning, that's one thumb rule that we have to follow is always start from the topmost portion of your room. So we'll start with cleaning the cobwebs, and after that we'll start cleaning all the fans, light fixtures and the AC if you have any. So to clean that, we are preparing a concoction of a multi-purpose cleaner. Over here I'm using my favorite sieve and 2 cups of water. I'll mix it and use a rag to clean all the light fixtures and fans and ACs. So it is a multi-purpose thing to clean all your light fixtures without any hassle. So when you're cleaning the AC, remove the filters from inside the AC, and either you can wash them and dry it and then replace it, or else you can just dust it and put it back. I usually like to wash it. Wipe the whole body of the AC with the same rag and you will get a shining air condition. It is very important to clean the AC even during the winter season because it might catch a lot of dust. Plus we have an all-weather AC, so we'll be using it in the winter season as well. So it makes sense for us to clean the AC just before the season begins. You can see how much dust it was there inside the AC. Put the filters back and close the AC and give it a final wipe. Using the same concoction, clean all the fans and all the light fixtures. It's time to clean the kitchen, and it again starts with cleaning of the cobwebs in the kitchen. Now, kitchen catches most muck during the time, even if you are one person who likes to clean frequently. So plus also that this place is the heart of the home and you do all the cookings, and keeping it neat and tidy is the most important thing. So I start by cleaning the doors and the handles. For cleaning of kitchen, I use a concoction of dish soap and Cif, the multi-purpose cleaner that I showed you earlier. I'll be using this only to clean the doors, handles and all those outside things, shelves, chimney hobs, nothing which relates to the food directly. appliances just from outside or even the containers just from outside, we can use rubbing alcohol to clean all the appliances from outside. I have a bottle of alcohol which I have diluted it with water, and it cleans all the yuck and muck stuck on these appliances over the period of time. Just a clean rag and alcohol's concoction in the bottle. You can clean all the wires and all the corners of the appliances easily with this alcohol spray. But just to clean inside the appliances, we have absolutely different thing. Take some water and add baking soda and vinegar to it, and to this add the dish soap. Now this is a perfect concoction to clean microwaves, fridge, ovens from inside. Even if you're cleaning the jars which has like nasty grease on inside or some stains that you want to remove from it, this is a perfect concoction for that. And you do not have to scrub or rub too much. This concoction is absolutely non-toxic, and whenever you're using anywhere where there is a direct contact of food, never use anything which is harmful chemicals. Toothbrush is your best friend to clean all those nook and crannies where your hands and fingers cannot reach. So as you can see, this crevice of the microwave caught so much of dirt and it was easily cleaned by this toothbrush. I just dipped the toothbrush in the same concoction mixture and I cleaned all the nook and crannies of this microwave oven. If you like this video, then do give this video a thumbs up and like this channel. And also, if you have tried any of these methods, then do leave us a comment. I would love to read all your comments that you send me. Also, we are uploading the very next video tomorrow itself. So do check out our next video. This week is full of Diwali special videos, so don't miss them any. And hit that notification bell. And wishing you all a very happy Diwali and happy cleaning too. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.